All right, here's a live look at our Rubenstein Law Skycam tonight, looking at Pine Island Road and the intersection there with Nicholas. And it looks like a little light traffic out there, but the roads are dry. We did have some storms that popped up across the area this afternoon. I think we'll see a few more tomorrow ahead of a cold front, and it is that front that is going to bring us an opportunity for some cooler temperatures, which we desperately are looking for, and also a drop in the humidity as well. But we're keeping our eyes on the tropics right now. We're keeping an eye on the area down into the portions of the Caribbean. Now, this is climatologically, not easy to say, climatologically the time of year and the place that we look for development down here, where the Hurricane Center is giving this area a moderate chance for development over the next 5 days. Just a broad area of low pressure. We're going to be watching for thunderstorms to start developing here, and with the very warm waters down here, there is that potential we could get an area of low pressure. Now, some of the long-range computer models have been bullish on developing something down there. The question is we don't know what yet, whether it's going to be a tropical storm, whether it could be a hurricane. Still plenty of time to watch it, but something you want to keep our eyes on. There are a couple of tropical waves that we're going to be watching moving into this area, and that's what we expect to possibly eventually develop. And the way the pattern is setting up, anything that does develop here will get pulled northward. It's a question of whether or not it's going to go into the Gulf, whether it'll go west or come towards the state of Florida. We just don't know that yet, but of course we'll be the first to tell you if it ends up becoming a problem for us. But at this point, it's nothing to worry about, but you need to be vigilant of the fact that we see most of our storm strikes, at least our hurricane strikes, here in South Florida during the latter part of September into October. So season's not over just yet. Storms that we had earlier today have dissipated. Temperatures are in the 70s now. Some spots still around 80 degrees. Warm spot 81 in Marco Island. And as I showed you earlier, the dew points are still high in the mid to upper 70s. So very sticky. That'll be the case tomorrow morning. And I think with a shift in the winds out of the southwest and onshore, we're going to start to see a few storms developing, especially near the coast in the morning, and then spreading inland as the afternoon goes on. There is a front that's just off to our north. Now, the front is pretty much cutting through right now the Panhandle and parts of southeast Alabama into western Georgia. And that front's going to gradually sag its way southward through the day tomorrow and try to push its way through the area coming up on Wednesday. And I think that as it does so, that's where we'll see the chances for rain go down some, and also the dew points will start dropping some, allowing some of that lower humidity to move into the area. You can see here by Wednesday morning, there's the front pushing through with a northerly wind, and the front's going to stall just off to our south. So we're not going to get rid of it altogether, meaning chances for rain will likely stick around here through the end of the week. What I want to show you here are the dew points. Watch what happens through the day Tuesday, and then notice this drop-off in the dew points coming up into Wednesday, particularly north of the Caloosahatchee, where we could see some 50s dew points. That's going to be very comfortable air, so I think the better opportunity for seeing that comfortable air will be areas from basically Lee and Hendry County and points towards the north. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 88 tomorrow, cooler on Wednesday. Chance for showers and storms will be isolated on Wednesday, and I think we're going to still have rain around through the end of the week as the front is going to hang up and push back to the north. So we're going to keep chances for rain in the forecast, and also the stickiness is going to return with that front moving back north heading into the upcoming weekend. Don't forget, we want you to send us your pictures if you have any pictures of sunsets or perhaps anything nature related. We want to see it. All you have to do is send your picture to weather@fox4now.com, or you can send it to us on Facebook. Just find us on there or on Twitter. You can tag us there, and we'll try to get it on the air for you.